Hi guys, this is Coach Tony Morgan, and this short video is on a Worcester 30SI compact. And what we're going to be talking about is how you can be caught out when removing this case and what it can reveal. So what happened in this particular case, the boiler was working fine, no problem, until the case was removed. So to remove the case, you've got a screw there, a screw there, and you've got two clips on the top. Now what happened, the case was pulled off, a working pressure was taken and the boiler was turned back on, but it wouldn't fire up. So previously it was working fine, but it wouldn't fire up after the case was removed. So I'm just going to show you how this could happen to you and what to avoid. So this is the case removed. Now if you look closely, look at the fan. To someone who's never seen this before for the first time, you might think that's normal, but something's missing. Now this is the back of the casing and you can see something here. So what's happened, this is like the air intake pipe to the fan, and it's stuck to the casing. So once the case has been removed, that's what happened, it was stuck there. So with this removed, this pipe, if you go to fire up the boiler, you'll find it won't fire up, it'll go into EA fault, and it's because it needs this pipe attached for it to work properly. So I've turned the boiler on, you can hear the fan running a bit. So I'm going to start, make it do the ignition process and see what happens. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it into engineer mode by just pressing these two buttons here. Hold them in so it changes to max. So it's gone to max, so basically the fan will run and you should hear the ignition. If you go closer up here, if you come up here, but just listen carefully. Listen, can you hear the igniter? So that's a spark, so it's trying to light. So it'll do that maybe another time. We'll just let it go through the process again. Now it'll do this, as I said, maybe about 4 or 5 times, and then eventually that'll say EA. So there you go, so that's basically the fault there, because it didn't light, the ignition fault. So you can see it won't work without the pipe. So now we're going to put the pipe on and compare the difference. Right, so I'm going to press reset like that, and then I'm going to press these two buttons again. Put it to max, engineer mode, there you go. So let's see what happens now. See, lit, flame lights come on, high speed will go in a sec. And there you have it. So, you slow that down. So there you go. Something to watch out for. So like I said, if you're new to one of these boilers and that happens to you, now you know what to do. I'm just going to go over the engineer mode, how to put it into max and minimum, fan speed. So you can start chimney sweep symbol, meaning these two being pressed together. So we're just going to repeat what I've just done. until it changes to max, so like that. Now you just seen that do it before. Now if you want to go to minimum speed, you press this button here and see it go to minimum. So basically that'll make the fan speed go to minimum. And then if you want to go back up to maximum, press like that. And then once you've finished doing your analysing, then you press these two again, and that takes it out, and preheat comes on, so it's back into normal operation. So that's it. Now you do engineer mode. So that's going to be the end of this video. Now if you want to learn more about boiler repair and become a master, click on the link below and you can subscribe to my Mastering Boiler Repair program. So check that out, and hopefully you'll get a lot more skills and more confidence in boiler repair. So I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.